Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will talk about how you can connect your store with Google Analytics to see all the analytics of your store, either visitors, their countries, their cities. First of all, you need to sign up and create a Google Analytics account, and it is easy to create and connect to your website. So after you create your account, head to Storeino first of all and click on settings, then click on applications. Here is the Google Analytics ID. Here we need to put our Google Analytics ID. So go back to analytics, click on admin. Then in here you will find something called tracking info. Click on it and click on tracking code. Then you need to copy this code right here. Click copy, go back to your store and paste the code, then confirm. Now you have successfully connect Google Analytics to your store. Thanks for watching and see you soon in other tutorials.